Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then click the notification bell icon for more video. You'll be updated. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and it's time to consider what your actual plans are. Even if you're skeptical about the day and get irritated by all the sweet couples making a big deal out of it, you can still do something special to make the most of the day. For instance, you can spend time together with your partner and do a creative, not corny, couple photoshoot. To help you out with ideas, deposit photos, a library with over 145 million authentic visuals, shared 10 creative themes you can try for your couple photoshoot this Valentine's Day. 1. Artistic photography. Looking for a really unconventional idea for a couple photoshoot? Fine art photography is exactly what you should try. This genre implies providing creative freedom to a photographer at every stage, from choosing a theme, to experimenting with post-production. Fine art photography can also entail using props for artistic purposes with the aim to add a creative touch to the final shots. Of course, your ideas are also welcome. Perhaps you have always wanted to recreate the legendary scene from Mr. and Mrs. Smith or try on some Renaissance costumes. In this case, Valentine's Day might be a great occasion for that. 2. Happiness is found in the little things. If you think about moments from the past when you felt particularly happy, you will reminisce about breakfast in bed, afternoon tea on a terrace, or a cozy evening movie session with your loved one. Why not capture these moments of joy during a couple photoshoot this Valentine's Day? In addition to adding authentic images to your archive, this activity can be a lot of fun. 3. Romantic rooftop. Romantic couple photoshoots on a rooftop are not a brand new idea, but they might become unique because of the lighting. Plan a shooting during the golden hour, the first hour of light after sunrise and the last hour before sunset. At this time, the lighting looks softer and changes by the minute. Every image a photographer takes will be unique. Moreover, your pictures will be filled with romantic ambiance and charm. 4. Black and white story. A black and white story is a perfect couple photoshoot idea for those who'd like their images to be timeless. However, this shooting should take place in a studio where a photographer won't have to rely on natural lighting and can manually manipulate it for creative black and white photography. 5. Weekend getaway. If you're planning a weekend getaway to the seaside or mountains this Valentine's, finding a photographer there might be an amazing idea. While exploring new places, enjoying yourselves, and trying delicious food, you can also get a series of images that will later remind you of the great time you spent during your weekend getaway. 6. Honest close-ups. If you're a fan of authentic images and don't appreciate a lot of post-production, do a series of honest close-ups. This idea is basically about capturing details that are infused with love and tenderness during a photo shoot. Holding hands, hugging, or taking a close-up of a smile, there's an entire variety of concepts to try. 7. Winter magic. If it's snowing in your country during Valentine's Day, there's even a couple photoshoot idea for the cold weather. Go on a short road trip to the forest with a photographer. Take some props like Christmas trees, snacks, and a thermos with hot tea. Decorate a truck and spend a couple of hours just having a picnic. Don't forget to check the weather forecast. A sunny and frosty day is ideal for this couple photoshoot idea. 8. Surprise. For the most romantic couples, there's a photoshoot idea with an element of surprise. If you've been looking for the perfect moment for a proposal, there's nothing more romantic than declaring your love on Valentine's Day. Let a photographer capture the most sincere and spontaneous emotions and take some special shots for the memory of a lifetime. 9. Like nobody watching, don't like posing and usually feel awkward standing in front of a camera, but still want to get a series of romantic shots this Valentine's Day? Ask a photographer to take lifestyle images while you're busy with your routine. You may be hurrying to work in the morning, having lunch at a cafe, or going for a walk in the evening. In short, you'll simply be caught by a photographer in your natural environment. 10. Emotional roller coaster. What are your favorite images in your archive? Perhaps it's the ones where you're smiling and experiencing positive emotions. This Valentine's Day, you can enrich your collection with a new series by going to an amusement park and having some fun. Go on a roller coaster, buy cotton candy, and joke around while standing in line for the next ride. Make the most of these outdoor activities and let a photographer take some fascinating shots. With these couple photoshoot ideas, you can spend a day with your loved ones and capture some unique memories that you'll have for the rest of your lives. Get ready for Valentine's Day by choosing a theme you like from this list. Don't forget to subscribe.